How would you like it if anytime anybody looked up your business, your city on YouTube, they found this video after video promoting your business? I mean, your competition isn't even there. You're in the first position, the second position, the third position, the fourth. You're in all the positions. You completely dominate for your business, your city. Well, that's what we did for our client, MD Mold Testing, and we can do the same for your local business. But that's not all. What if we go here to Google and we type in mold testing, Chevy Chase, Maryland? What do we find? What's this? This is a link directly to one of my customers' websites. Let's click here, and what do you see? Wow, look at this. Here is my customer. Here is his phone number. It's a blog post we set up for him. So he is ranked #1 in Google as well as in YouTube. Let's check Google Images. He's everywhere. His phone number everywhere. I mean, if you're going to be looking for a mold tester in Chevy Chase, Maryland, who are you going to call? He's literally everywhere. He buries the competition. What about Google Videos? Every single listing. I can't even find his competitor. All these videos are about my customer. I cannot find one single video on Google Videos that are not about MD mold testing. We're not done yet. Let's try short videos. Here we are. Best Mold Testing USA. That's our site that we set up for him that is uniquely promoting him. He is everywhere. Top 3 listings right here under short videos. And what if we type in licensed mold testing, Chevy Chase, Maryland? Here my customer is right again. You can see his phone number right at the very top of Google itself. Here's something else that we did which is really important. These days, local businesses are kind of terrorized by reviews because you don't have any control of them. But what we did is we took his 5-star reviews and we put them in video format and we put them all over the internet. So you go to YouTube and you type in reviews, MD mold testing, look what you find. Nothing but great 5-star reviews and videos saying how great MD mold testing is. So say you are a potential customer thinking of using MD mold testing. You know, a lot of times when we go and we're going to hire a business to do work, we check out their reviews. You probably do it. I do it. People are going to check your business out. So what are they going to see? Here, we are proactive in that you can't control those reviews that are on Google, but we can go out and put lots of media which can actually kind of bury any negative reviews that might be out there and showcase your best reviews. So that's what people find first. And that alone can save a sale. And what is one sale worth if they just see this video and say, oh, okay, I checked up on them and looks like they're great. I think I'm going to go with this company. That could mean thousands of dollars. Keep in mind, we can do this for any local business. We've done this for attorneys. We've done this for mental health care clinics. So if you have a local business, we can definitely help you. If you're interested in finding out specifically what we can do for your business, we can schedule a personal consultation where we look at your business and we come up with specific strategies just for your business. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and comment local leads down below. And we'll send you all our contact info, and we'll be glad to look at your business to see what we can do to really get you going, getting more leads, traffic, and sales. So with toprankedvideo.com, we're not only going to get you ranked for the top keywords in your industry and your location, but we're also going to take your reviews, your 5-star reviews, and put them everywhere, all over social media where people can find them. And finally, these videos are going to give you valuable backlinks, which are going to help rank your regular website and your Google My Business page, and also get you ranked better in ChatGPT and AI listings, which are becoming more and more popular now. So if you're ready to get started, or if you want to learn more, go ahead and click local leads down below, and we'll set up a time. We'll look at your business. We'll see specifically what we can do for you to increase your online presence, increase your ranking, make it so you completely dominate your space for your local business. Also, we put our information in a pinned comment below and in the description. Thank you for watching our video. My name is Matthew May with toprankedvideo.com. And we look forward to working with you.